We want to compare two lists to see who signed up and then who actually showed up for an event. So we can do this one of two ways. The first way is to use the COUNTIF function. So go ahead and type COUNTIF. And the first thing is it wants to look at the range. So our range in this case are the people that actually showed up, and we want to see if these individuals are in this list of signed up. So go ahead and lock the cells, and then go ahead and enter your criteria. So our criteria for the first one is Patrick Mahomes. We want to see if checking from the showed up, if he was an individual that signed up. So hit enter, and then you can autofill all the way down, and this will show us 1 if they did sign up and they showed up, and then 0 if they signed up but they did not show up. So we see Patrick matches here. We see Josh Allen matches. Same thing with Lamar and Joe Burrow. Dak Prescott, notice how he doesn't show up. And then same with Jalen Hurts and also Jordan Love, CJ Stroud. Another way you can do this is go ahead and highlight both of your columns, and you can do this by doing Control-click. Go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and then click the Duplicate Values. Go ahead and click OK, and this will show the duplicate values in both of your lists. So notice how the ones that showed up are being highlighted in the signed up list.